Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex, and today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on July 8, 2025, just 2 days ago. This paper introduces the first large-scale medical video dataset of its kind, featuring over 55,000 specially curated video clips. The paper is titled, MedGen, Unlocking Medical Video Generation by Scaling Granularly-annotated Medical Videos, and the results really highlight how critical domain-specific data is for generating accurate, specialized content. The authors use this new dataset to train a specialized model that rivals even commercial systems in medical accuracy. Also, the authors shared their project on GitHub, and it's a great resource. If you check it out, you'll find the code, links to the paper, and their full MedVideoCap-55K dataset. They do mention that the pre-trained models are coming soon, so definitely something to watch for. And to really drive home why these new resources are so important, the authors first show what happens when today's top commercial models like Sora, Pika, and Hailuo try to generate medical videos. This first figure highlights two major types of failures. On the left, you see medical common sense errors, like a skull with a hole in the wrong place. And on the right, you see distortion errors, like warped limbs and nonsensical surgical scenes. This really underscores the core problem that general-purpose models lack the specific knowledge for medical accuracy. So to really understand why those models struggle, this table compares existing medical video datasets with the new MedVideoCap-55K. And the gap is huge. Their dataset is more than double the size of the next largest one, with over 55,000 clips. But the real game changer is the captions. Most older datasets just have simple category labels. MedVideoCap-55K provides rich text descriptions, averaging 174 words. That level of detail, plus its diversity across 5 medical categories, is exactly what was missing. So how exactly did they build such a massive, high-quality dataset? Well, this figure lays out their impressive data construction pipeline. They started with a huge pool of 24 million YouTube videos and used a series of filtering and expansion steps to get a core set of medical content. Then, they analyzed these videos frame by frame to create shorter, consistent clips. The final step uses multimodal large language models, which are AIs that understand both video and text, to generate those rich, detailed captions that make the dataset so powerful. Moving to the results, this table really shows the payoff. The authors benchmark their new MedGen model against a whole slate of others on a specialized test called MedVibench. This test measures things like imaging quality, motion smoothness, and critically warping error, which tracks those distortions we saw earlier. And the numbers are impressive. MedGen dominates all other open source models, with the highest total score and the lowest warping error by a wide margin. It even holds its own against the big proprietary models like Sora and Kling. But automated scores are one thing. What about human experts? So for that, these charts show results from a human evaluation, which is often the gold standard. The authors had 3 independent doctors compare MedGen's videos against those from other models. The charts show head-to-head wins for MedGen in dark blue. And you can see, especially for medical accuracy and text alignment, MedGen consistently comes out on top. While a model like Sora might sometimes produce a video with higher visual quality, it really struggles with medical correctness, which is the most important factor. And to give you a feel for what these successful generations actually look like, here are some examples straight from MedGeneral. The figure shows film strips across 5 really different categories. You've got science popularization, surgical simulations, medical animations, diagnostic imaging like CT scans, and even patient simulations showing symptoms. What's striking is the diversity and coherence of these clips. These visuals really back up the high scores, showing that MedGen can create plausible and useful video content for a whole range of medical needs, from education to training. So to wrap things up, what this research really drives home is that for specialized fields like medicine, data is everything. The authors didn't just build a better model. They first built a better foundation with the massive MedVideoCap-55K dataset. By training their MedGen model, which is a type of latent diffusion model, essentially an AI that learns to create videos in a compressed, efficient way, on this high-quality, specific data, they achieved a huge leap in medical accuracy and usefulness. That's all for this AI Research Roundup. Thanks for tuning in.